Now here is our story, some of it true, so we made a video and delivered it to you. While we are not actors, it's hardly the case. We hope you enjoy it at this time in this place. Our holiday parties are full of good cheer, and teamwork is fostered all through the year. Salesmen are happy when friendships are made, and know Santa's watching and want a good grade. They knew in an instant the shake of the head. Nice had turned naughty, and he sent them to bed. Another department was getting along fine, using the CAD to plan their design. The specs were accomplished and teammates agreed. Results were achieved with precision and speed. Our team in admin works quietly each day, with hiring, IT, insurance, and pay. Their work goes quite smoothly, they know their jobs well. Their wings are forthcoming at the sound of a bell. It's known far and wide our ability to drill. We have quite the team with knowledge and skill. Then came Corona with vicious attack. Our team took quick action, punching it back.
Hey everybody, it's Corona Craig. Get him! Hey guys, it's Corona Craig again. Get up!
Our workload is heavy, not easy to lift. We have quite the talent on our second shift.
Finish him!
Milling can make things not meant to be round, but when roll call was taken, no workers were found. There must be a cause, there must be a reason. A bunny was found, but out of season. Sooner or later, equipment can break. Lucky for us, it's a fix we can make. Machining good parts gives us presents to bring. If they weren't quite so heavy, we'd wear them as bling. So many parts go into a mold, with details so fine, we treat them like gold. Carefully placed for further review, toolmakers ensure they are shiny and new. And all of a sudden, all the pieces were done. Assembly is quick and really quite fun. Checking our work is a process we do. Quality first, for us and for you. Checklists are common, as you can see. It helps ensure our work is error-free. The holiday spirit can bring out our best, but taken too far can put some to the test. Dreaming and doing are rarely a pair. Teammates will notice and get off their chair.
Back to work.
The last check to make if they're ready to go. Final approval before ho ho ho. Our job is not done when task remains. Parts must be lifted with forklifts and chains. To be created for shipment, both small parts and big, they must be protected while on our big rig. And there you have it, our story is told. From our house to yours, to the young and the old. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Many thanks from us all. May your future be bright.